Patriot Zero here. I had planned on releasing my gold panning video for you guys, but the sound did not record because the microphone is dead. So I have another microphone on order. It will be here tomorrow. I will get it out to you for this weekend. Gold is something that you guys really need to learn how to pan, because it's all around us. You have to work for it. It's not free. There's a reason why it's so expensive, but at the same time, it is free money if you go out and find it. And it helps a lot because it's something that's tradable, barterable, and it comes in really handy to have. Plus, it's just cool to find. It's just, there's nothing like it. I'll show you guys. In the meantime, I have a prediction that we're going to have a false flag on the west coast here, probably. It looks like they're trying to circle the wagons on the west coast. We have the Doomsday plane flying over central California, and we have the Iranian drones, quote unquote, off the coast. And I would say that we're pretty ripe for the picking right now. If we hit California with a false flag, then it brings all the Democrats into it, because oh my God, look what they did to our Golden State. So then we get everybody behind this war, and nobody will be complaining because patriotism and all that. And don't get me wrong, I love my country. I love the flag. I just don't like the bullshit that they're feeding us. Anyway, my gut says that it's going to be a false flag, and then afterwards it'll be an excuse to take more rights away, just like the Patriot Act was, because they got to save us from ourselves, and God forbid you don't need all those weapons and AR-15s and high capacity magazines, and you shouldn't have all that stored food because you're hoarding. And if I were you, and this is just my opinion, and in my humble opinion at that, I would go back and look at the video that I made on the cylinder that you can bury. It's about a cache. It said, I think it's bury this before it's too late. Anyway, it's a video I made about 6 months ago. It's one of the first 10 videos that I made, and they sell it on Amazon. I would consider getting it. Now, this is not legal advice, but that pistol that fell overboard last summer. Well, if you could find it and put it in that variable cache, it would probably be safe. So I would, I'll probably redo that video someday too, but in the meantime, check it out. I would be starting to bury things, some silver, some gold, some freedom seeds, some mountain house, and a couple of kinetic weapons, just to have. Because when the shit hits the fan and they start coming for your stuff, can't take what's not there. Okay? And now that's not legal advice, and I'm not telling you to break the law. I'm just telling you what somebody prudent would consider. And in the meantime, God bless you guys. Hopefully you won't get caught in the middle of it. Love y'all. Patriot Zero out.